point I was trying to say, not to let him go in. He went in. Let me know if you think I didn't see what, but if you got a obstruction, let me know.
Come talk to me.
Yeah, let's talk to you. So you got a warrant.
Yeah, come talk to me.
So what's going on?
This was cleared thrown out by a judge.
Was it?
Yesterday.
Yesterday was Sunday. Well, hold on. Are you sure it was cleared?
Yeah,
You got paperwork?
no, it's a long story. She went down to the, she has paperwork. I have the, card.
Where's it at?
In the dresser drawer in there.
Okay, if you give us permission, we'll go look at it in a second.
And this isn't an actual warrant, it's the pre-warrant, correct?
Well, so we wrote a warrant and the judge signed it. So a judge signed it. So now...
For the scratch on her arm?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's just a scratch. It's I wasn't here.
The knife attack?
Yes, the knife attack.
Okay.
So that's what she reported.
Well, she went down yesterday and told that she made a false report.
Okay.
And made a statement.
Okay. What kind of statement did she make? Who'd she talk to?
That she made a false report.
So she's going to go to jail for making a false report on a felony?
She said she would.
So she's going to take the charge for a false
yes.
report? Okay.
And I have text messages on 3 different phones.
I haven't searched for anything. Those are his bills.
Yeah, no problem.
Car for me?
Yeah, and there's the dude. And I got the state attorney's card in there. And he told us this wouldn't be an issue.
Okay. The warrant hasn't been cleared yet.
But from what I understand, it's not a warrant.
It was a warrant.
Do you have keys to your house,
Let's
or
go.
how do you want
Right
to?
here.
Okay.
I locked the handle.
Let's go.
I think that's going to be
Yep.
our deadbolt. All right. Come on.
Okay, wait.
No, you're coming over here. You're not talking to him.
42, do you want to walk to me or do you want me to bring your car to you?
You can drive over here. Hey, Angie. I'm going to take... Is the key in the ignition? I just want to lock your car. I'm not going to look in your car to then lock it.
Hey, you can hit the lock button.
But the window's down. Angie, can I turn the car on to shut the window? I'm not going to search the car. Otherwise, the window's going to stay down. That's fine.
I checked his parents.
That's what somebody told us.
And then I was driving over here and I saw you guys were on the screen. I was like, oh boy. So I figured you guys had some sort of knowledge of this part here.
Yeah, we dealt with her so many times.
Angie's a frequent flyer over in the county too.
Oh, really?
Oh, I've dealt with her so much. She saw me when she walked up and I've dealt with her and Dan over there.
What did she say?
Been going to Harbor at all?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no key in it.
We're going to have one male 1015 and a female 1015.
All right. All right, here. I don't know who you talked to, but whatever you did was not sufficient enough to drop any charges. Okay? These are the keys to your house. Your car's sitting there, it's unlocked, the passenger side window is down. I'd rather not leave it down and your purse is sitting in the passenger seat. Do you want to leave your purse in there or you want to bring it out here? We would have to search it. But my concern for you is, do you want me to shut your windows in your car? No? All right, where's the key to the car?
In your hand. Where did you get this cut from?
This one right here? All right, so I have permission to turn it on and shut the windows?
Where did you get the cut from on your hand? Pawn shop. What?
Lawnmower, pawn shop.
Okay, because you're actively bleeding right now, so.
Where?
On your arm. And then now it's on me. On your arm. Nope. Left
Well,
arm.
she also, I think her stab wounds were on her arm
Oh.
as well.
Oh, no, that's from you. That's actually from
Right,
you.
yeah, that's from me.
Yeah.
That's from me.
Yeah, that's from you.
Right,
That's
you're
from
right,
you.
you're right.
That's from
Right.
you.
The camera
Well,
will
since
show
she's-
otherwise.
Yeah,
just-
Don't you
the
worry.
camera
Santos,
will.
just take a photograph of her. If
Yeah.
she's alleging
Yeah.
injury from
You.
this,
Yeah.
You just be.
Angie,
Yeah,
stop.
that's what happened, Angie. Let me go get my phone.
Angie, stop. You're making it worse.
I'm not making
You
it
are,
any
and
worse. I'm not.
you're intoxicated right now too.
Oh, okay. Is that illegal?
Well, you were about to get in that vehicle, were you not, to drive? That's illegal. She just alleged the injury to her left arm from Santos. So Santos is grabbing her phone to take a picture,
Okay.
just so you're aware.
So you wanted to drop the charges on Daniel Moone because you said you filed a false police report. You want to get that in writing? Okay. When you're at the jail, you can get a statement from her about how she issued a false police report against Daniel Moone.
Like a written statement.
Yeah, written statement.
And she's at the jail,
And
so
have her
wait till
swear and
she's
affirm to what she's signing and what she's writing down.
Okay.
So I locked your car. I put your cloth purse under the driver's seat, and the windows are up. And there's your keys, and your house is locked to your. I mean, the front door is locked to your house.
Who's transporting? So like, I'm taking it back to my car.
Yeah. Make sure.
Do you want her to go on Polaris since she's alleging this now?
Who's in your car?
I think so.
Yeah, that's fine. You take. Yeah, have Polaro take.
Because he's got.
1 call 3 dispatch. You can clear us report.
Okay.
3 to 1.
I'll
Is
call
anybody
you.
51 to that? Signal 30 in your zone with you?
Okay.
Once I get there, I'm I didn't confirm it, so
The warrant?
yeah.
If we get her in a car, I can confirm it real quick.
3 dispatch. We'll be in route to that call.
Angie, you recognize me, right? Right. Can you just answer their questions? You lived here a long time. You lived here since I was dealing with you back in years ago, back in 2019.
Dispatch 149, 1074.
Idiot.
149, 1074.
Stupid looking. Like you got your balls like pushed up, like pushed up, like like boy toy. Like I'm a faggot, but not really a faggot. I'm bisexual.
Why are you being rude? Why are you being rude all of
Like
a
a
sudden?
bisexual person. Total faggot.
Why do you have to be rude?
Why are you asking me questions? Why are you holding on my arm? I haven't even done anything. All I did was run in my house because I saw some lady in black chasing me. And now you guys are like saying obstruction of justice and possibly battery on Leo. But yet my arm's bleeding and this is my house. Okay, Ron says feel safe.
Right? Where you're harboring a fugitive.
He's not a fugitive. No, I
He
dropped.
is.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Yeah.
No, he's not. No, he is not.
You were told the day that this incident happened that a warrant would be issued for his arrest.
I was not told that. No, Officer Martinez said he'd come back an hour, and he never came back. Okay? I said I did not want to press charges.
Well, unfortunately, when it's domestic and we have probable cause that a crime did occur,
But
we don't
there's
have a
no,
choice.
But it's insufficient probable cause according
How
to
is
the
it?
judge.
If there was actual injuries. What judge did you talk to?
There's not actual injuries. I lied.
Okay, but you
I
showed
lied.
the officers injuries.
I lied.
Okay.
Okay.
And do you see where lies get you? How did this play out? He still goes to jail on the warrant. You catch fresh charges. And we're at where we're at. All of these decisions you're making, something tells me, have something to do with the amount of alcohol the two of you consume when you're together. And then the apparent danger you would have put the public in had you gotten that vehicle and driven it away.
143 dispatch, can you 10-9 minutes, 10-20 was called.
Did you hear me saying she was running to the door, or you just saw it firsthand?
No, I saw it and I tried to get on the radio because I saw him walk
I
inside.
saw him go to the door. And I said,
So
he's
I was
gonna
like,
go
I was
barricade.
gonna say stop, stop, because I could tell he was coming back out.
Yeah.
So I was gonna say stop, and I'm like, I'm like, all right, well, here we go.
Grab him.
Yeah, I wonder.
Well, I thought he was still out here, and then
Yeah.
I pull up, but the door's open, and she's by herself. So I don't know if he went back in to grab something.
I was thinking they're gonna pull out. She's
So
not gonna go anywhere.
The good thing for you guys is the whole effort is recorded, so you can see him starting to go in, right? Because I'm watching him. He goes to the passenger door. We think he's going to occupy the car, and then he changes his mind. So when he goes in, that's when I'm on the radio saying like, "Hey, he's going to go back inside the house. Don't let her go back in." And then you pull up and chase
I
him.
don't know.
Put her in my car. I'll transport her. So it'll be
Is this you?
exactly our instruction.
Yeah, we're gonna get that. Is this your vehicle, Santos?
You can't push a police officer. So,
Is this your vehicle?
nope, it's over there.
Here, you guys watch it. I handed them the phone.
Angie, do you have anything else on you that I didn't find?
No, I need my car keys.
Okay, did you hear what I
get
just
that.
said?
Can I have my keys, please?
Hop in.
You can't hold anything in your hands right now. Once you get to the jail, your property is going to
I'll
go
hand
with
the
you.
seatbelt over to you, Santos.
Go to the jail. If something's on you, it's going to be an extra charge, okay? It'll be a felony, so make sure you don't have anything else on you.